Today we are making a creamy chicken soup full of veggies. Let's start cutting the veggies. For the red pepper, remove the top, then slice and cut into small cubes. Peel the carrot. Cut in half lengthwise, thinly slice, then cut into small cubes. Remove the leaves from the celery stick and thinly slice the stick. Finely chop the parsley. Cut the onion in half. Peel it. Then finely chop. And finely chop the garlic cloves. Now take the chicken breast and cut into small cubes. On medium heat, drizzle the olive oil in a large saucepan. Add the butter and let it melt. Add the chopped onion, garlic, salt and pepper. Stir and cook for a few minutes until the onions soften. Add the veggies and chicken cubes. Mix and cook for 3 minutes. Now add the flour and fresh thyme leaves. Mix well. Time to add the broth. Cover the pot, increase the heat to medium-high, and cook until the liquid reaches a boiling point. Reduce the heat to medium and continue cooking for 10 minutes. Now add the peas and milk. Cover and cook for 15 minutes. That's it, we are ready to serve. Check this out. A creamy, healthy, super yummy chicken soup. Bon appétit!